Hello, this is Robert Carter, instructional technology coach, here looking at Google Sheets. As I mentioned with all my Google apps videos, that I am looking to break down a lot of the smaller tasks that are involved in this online platform. And today for Google Sheets, I'm going to look at formatting and changing the data for easier viewing. So this is one of my examples from one of my docs videos. So we've got some pre-selected data in here. So I want to look at some of the options to make your data chart just a little bit easier to view for presentations or collaborations with colleagues, whatever it happens to be. So the first one's going to be easy peasy. We're going to highlight all my text. And these are just basic word processing functions. So we can adjust the font, make it a bit more prevalent. And then, like usual, we can actually type in a number that's not one of the pre-selected as well. We can bold. You can italicize. And you can change the text colors itself. So let's just say we wanted to take 63, who in this case is a bit of an outlier, make it red. We'll make our individual outliers a bit red. We can also format the actual boxes that they're in so that they pop a little more, and that's up here with the borders. And you can see that you can get a variety of it. This is just an outline. This is one of my favorites. It's going to put a border around every one of the selected cells. So in this case, let's see that. Actually, let's get that to every one of them. Let's go ahead and take these two columns out. Right click, delete, there we go. And let's do the same for this. Let's just say this is the completed work. Now we've got our chart by itself. We can make these values bigger if we want to spread this out and make it a bit more prominent. Our text can be centered as well. As I said, most of these are your basic word processing functions. Additionally, we could do highlight or actually filling in the actual boxes as well. So let's say I wanted to do this, put a yellow background to it, if I'm looking to highlight individual data points. There's other word processing functions in here depending on the data that you're trying to display, including vertical alignment, where you want it in the box, and you can see the three different options here. Hovering over them is always a tool in a Google application, so you can see what the tool does. Text wrapping, okay, is in here as well, and the overall orientation. But in terms of making your data pop a little bit more, changing the format of the cells, you are seeing the absolute core things that you would probably want to look at. So I hope this video was of some assistance. If you have any questions, please feel free to email me. Otherwise, have a great day.